on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs. Gonna record this now before I'm totally out of breath from the elevation because I'm already 0.2 miles in and out of breath. But we're hiking the Gilpin or Mount Zirkel Loop up near Steamboat Springs in Colorado. Super pretty area. I mean, check it out here. That's cool. There's a cool lake called Gilpin Lake. We're gonna go do some sunset photos there and just enjoy the beautiful hike too. So hope you come along. Hope y'all can check out this trail. It is about kind of a 10-mile loop or so. I'll see what my statistics say at the end, but should be pretty, should be cool, should be a bit challenging, but sometimes you gotta work for a good view and a good pick. So we're here working today. All right, we'll see you on the trail. Peace. I will note that it's a loop, but we're doing, and it's about kind of the same distance each way to the lake, but we're gonna do the south side of it today. We'll be hiking back in the dark on the south side as well, so only gonna see about half the trail, but still super pretty, super cool. All right. So we're about a mile and a half in, maybe a little less, I don't know, but supposedly there's a lot of good spots like this to fill up for water. I just brought a shit ton of water, I don't know, a gallon and like 2 liters or something. But you can bring less, I guess, and bring a filter and fill up kind of along the whole way. You follow this little creek. A lot of people do that, but we just brought a lot because I don't know, don't want to get sick from water and don't really have any fancy schmancy water filter thingies. So yeah, but that's definitely an option. Don't know if you can see him, but there's a shit ton of snakes on this trail. Don't know if they're poisonous or not. Hoping not. I don't know, Colorado mountain snakes, pretty sure there's no rattlesnakes at this elevation, so I don't know. All right, don't know if you can hear me, but about a mile and a half or so, pretty cool waterfall that I'm blocking. Here it is. Just right off the trail. Here we are. It looks like we've got to cross the river, so we're gonna go cross the river. I think there's a log to step on, maybe. We'll find out. All right, we made it across the log. Had to cross like 8 times to get 8 different pieces of content to post on 8 platforms to get 8 views. But yeah, we're out here committed to doing that. Thankfully we didn't fall. We almost did once, but yeah, onward we go. All right, it's getting a bit foresty now. Kind of was in the open for a while. If you can't tell, I'm dying. We're a little over 2.5 miles. It's a very steady uphill the whole way, but because I've done some crazy switchbacks where it's like super steep, but this is, the steadiness gets to you, so we're gonna keep going. Hopefully only another 2.5 miles or so. Oh, goodness gracious. Here we are. We've made it to the first lake. It's called Gold Creek Lake. Pretty nice here. Change out some water, but you can walk down here. Super nice, super pretty. I see a deer or something across the way, which is cool. But we're gonna meander. We go right down to the lake, which is nice. This is about 3.2 miles in, maybe. Hopefully, they're only a mile or so to the next spot. I think I gotta go up that a tiny bit though, which might suck. So we'll see. I don't know. I think we go up to there, but maybe I'm totally wrong. Anyways, we're gonna take a little break, eat a snack, drink some water, and hike on. Special shout out to Luna Bar. I mean, these slap blueberry and lemon. This could be a commercial right here. Luna should sponsor me. You're welcome. Alright, nice little pit stop there. We're gonna keep hiking up. Last stretch, I think it's the steepest, but it's also the end, so give it a go. Bad news is that we are going up there for the finale, so that's gonna be exciting. Uphill battle. All right, here we are. This is about 4.5 miles in. Super pretty as it opens up. Little stream down there, and yeah, we're going up to the left somewhere and almost there. Here we go. Right near the end. I can't really tell here, but gnarly switchbacks, gnarly uphill. Final push, here we go. Oh gosh. Alright, I think we're done with the switchbacks. Maybe a small elevation gain here, but not like steep. Done with that. Absolutely dead. Oh goodness. That's a relief though. Almost to the epic view spot, right in time for sunset. Can't breathe. Oh Jesus. Made it. Jesus fuck. Oh. Absolutely stunning. Definitely have to earn it on this one. Alright, we made it to the view we came for. It was about 6 miles, 2,200 feet of elevation. Took me about, let me see, I think 2 hours 40 minutes. Yeah, 2 hours 45 minutes. We'll stopped a little bit and did some videos and photos, but maybe hiking. Maybe it was 2.5 hours. That was on the south side of the loop. I think we're gonna go back the other way because it's 0.2 miles shorter. And I'm dead. But yeah, we're gonna hang out, take some cool pictures of the sunset here. I mean, it's gonna pop off It's gonna be sick. And yeah, only one up here too. I mean, very remote wilderness. You can't camp up here, but it's a bit windy. I don't know how the audio's coming through. You can camp up here, but you have to be like a quarter mile from the lake. But I don't know. I mean, imagine going up there, looking down. Crazy. Also, it's starting to get cold AF. I mean, I'm at super high elevation, 2,000 above the parking, but yeah, it's getting really chilly. I mean, that's why I wore this long sleeve guy, kind of for the sun too, but I'll warm up hiking back. But standing up here, taking pictures and enjoying the view, freezing. But yeah, we're gonna head back here in a sec. We got the old headlamp and the legs, so that's good. All right, here we are. We made it back to the car. 6 miles in the dark. Crazy. I don't know, the hike was like 12 miles total. 2,200 feet of elevation. I guess my moving time was 4 hours, 30 minutes total. The average mile, 22 minutes. Overall, I would say, I mean, I'm exhausted. Feels nice to put the Crocs on. Can't wait to just lay down. But yeah, super cool hike. Totally worth it. Hopefully, I think I explained it pretty well in the video and everything. So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can check out the hike. Because, I mean, as you can see in the video, that view is insane. But, yeah, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.